How can a bird shit that much? Huh? How can a bird shit that much, dude?
I don't know. I'm taking pictures of this.
God damn!
Hunter,
Oh, you just got pooped on by a bird.
you're shitting me.
No,
Hunter.
they're everywhere. Look, he's right there.
Oh my god. Gary! Gary! Gary!
You bastards.
Fuck.
Mom.
Oh my god, a bird just shat on you. Oh my god, that is so disgusting. Ew.
Why are you filming me?
What the f? Fuck you, birds. I can't do this.
Don't pull you back. I'm going to chin. What the hell?